Today, we're getting back to basics with the superstar of meditation, the breath. I know, follow your breath sounds so simple, it's almost cliche. But your breath is an anchor to the present moment, a tool you can use anytime to pull yourself out of the chaos of your thoughts. Think of it like this: your thoughts are the wild ocean, and your breath, it's the steady shore you can always return to. Okay, take a moment to get comfortable. Sit in a way that feels good for you, with your back straight but not stiff. Pause the video if you need to. Starting with your eyes open, hold a soft gaze or a soft focus. Choose a point in front of you, on the screen, or anywhere in the room that's comfortable. Let's start with a deep breath in, inhaling through your nose, and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Let's do that 5 times. With the final out breath, you can gently close your eyes. Now let your breath come back to its natural rhythm. Don't try to change it. Let it be as it wants to be. Your body knows how to breathe. Your only job is to notice it. Feel the sensation of the air coming through your nostrils and going back out. You may notice the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale. Or you might feel the gentle rise and fall of your belly. Whatever you feel, pick one of those spots to be your anchor. Your mind will wander. That's what minds do. When it does, and it will, gently, without judgment, guide it back to your breath. Try that for a few breaths. Now let's try counting the breaths. Count 1 on the inhale and 2 on the exhale. Then 3 on the inhale, 4 on the exhale, and so on. Only up to 10. Then start back at 1. If you lose track or your mind wanders, which it probably will, mine still does, don't worry. That's part of the exercise, really. Continue whatever number you left off at or start over. No big deal. Continue like that for the next few minutes. When you're ready, let go of the focus on your breath and just sit for a moment. You may gently open your eyes. Notice how you feel. Notice how you don't feel. Do you feel any different from when you first sat down? This simple act of following your breath is a powerful way to train your attention and find stillness. You can do this for 1 minute or 20. The more you practice, the easier it gets to find that calm center, even when life gets messy. Thank you so much for breathing with me today on Mindful Minutes. Stay present, and I'll see you next time.